To commemorate the Army Day, 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters 22 Sector Assam Rifles IGAR South East organized a grand function at District Headquarters Tamenglong today. A befitting wreath-laying ceremony was held to salute the valiant soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the country and its citizens. The veterans and beer naris from Tamenglong joined the commandant and all ranks in the celebration and paying the tribute to the valiant heroes of Indian Army. The stellar performance of the troops of the battalion during the cultural program established a deep cultural connect among the citizens, witnessing the event which epitomized the prevalent concept of unity in diversity and Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. The commandant for the 4 Assam Rifles also extended his warm greetings and best wishes to the people from the Jiliarong region on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Gangai Festival. Mat Jikame, retired senior-most veteran from the town, along with Secretary ESM, cut a cake and reciprocated the best wishes on behalf of the veterans. An interactive session with veterans was also organized to address their grievances. It may be mentioned that on 15 January 1949, General K.M. Cariappa, later Field Marshal, took over as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Robert Roy Butcher. He was the last English commander of the Indian Army. It was on this day that the first Indian general took charge of the Indian Army, and to commemorate this day, every year the Indian Army celebrates 15 January as Army Day for the last 74 years.